Good morning, guys. Oh. I feel like I actually get to talk because the kids fell asleep in the car and we're getting ready to run into Walmart. My crock pot broke last week and Colby was at Walmart and he was like, well, I'll get you a new one. And he found this really pretty green one that matched the kitchen. And it was the Beautiful brand by Drew Barrymore. And I'm just here to be honest. It was not good. It did not work. I put a pork roast in it on, like I started it on high. And I was like, we'll start it on high because it was like 8 pounds. And then I'll turn it down in a little bit. Okay, so I put it on high for 4 hours, came back and checked on it. And all the meat was still raw. The crock pot, well, it's the multi-cooker. I'll show you all up here. It's the multi-cooker, but it's got a crock pot setting. It was warm, it was hot, it felt hot on the outside, but it did not cook at all. So I'm like, no, like this is not okay. Like if I would have put this in my regular crock pot on high, I feel like it would have been done. So we are returning that today, and then I'm just going to get the traditional crock pot. I think I had the Hamilton Beach one before, but the handle broke off of it and then I couldn't close the lid. So we definitely need to get one of those. And then I want to look for some like really pretty faux leaves. I'm going to try to do a craft, so we'll see if they have anything. If not, I may run over to Hobby Lobby. So let's get going. Okay, so I just got back home from Walmart and got a new crock pot. I got a few mums. I'll show you all what those look like, but I forgot to mention in the beginning that I am doing a detox, and it's a 3-day detox. And yesterday, I'm on the second day. Yesterday was fairly simple, but today I have a killer headache. And while we were out, my middle child was like, I'm hungry. The hardest thing I did today was stop at Chick-fil-A, get her some chicken nuggets, and ordered myself a water with lemon only. I could not make it back home soon enough to drink this broth that I'm having. But after the first day yesterday, I woke up this morning and weighed myself, and I'm down 3.5 pounds. I just need like a kickstart just to help me. Like I know I can do it. I used to be in like the best shape of my life 6 years ago, right when I first started having kids. And after that, things just kind of got out of control. But I'm trying to get back into the best shape of my life. And so this is just like a little kickstart for me to kind of get my mind right. But I am drinking this broth, and then we're actually getting ready to have a good rainstorm come through. So I've got to run out and put the goats up in their little hut really quick. We moved their fencing over to the other side of the house where there's a bunch of brush, and we ran out of time and did not move their little house over into that section. So I'm going to have to get the goats and walk them over to their house because they do not like to get wet. So yeah, but I'm drinking my broth, and hopefully this will help me. In a couple hours, I will have a like granola bar type thing. And then this evening for dinner, I'll have another broth. And I'm just drinking lots of water. I did add some of my fresh oregano into this, and it helps. It's not bad. I don't really mind broths and stuff, so it's not too bad. Babies, come on. I know you don't like to get wet. Come on. guys, it's starting to rain. Come on. Here, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Go. Go, Piper. Get in there, Piper. Go, Piper. Go. Could have moved this over there yesterday evening, but we ran out of time. So it's supposed to rain for a little bit, and then I'll come back out and let them out. Here comes the rain. I have almost 2 perfect yellow mums. I eyed these at Walmart a few weeks ago, and I just loved these pumpkins. They only had this one left, and it was actually pretty good and full, so I snagged it. These were $12.97, I believe. These were $6.34, and these are the annuals, so I'm actually going to plant these if I can keep them alive. What my plan is with my summer planters is I'm going to take all of this out and then get some tree branches and make a fall tree. So I went with the traditional crock pot. It literally has a low, medium, and warm setting. I paid $39 for it. It's gonna do much better than that other one. I know it. So I did realize that there is no timer on this crock pot, which bothers me a little bit. I don't know how I didn't catch that when we were in Walmart looking at these, but it's okay. I'm fine. It's all gonna be okay. Now that the kitchen is all cleaned, I am going to go ahead and get this small little pile of laundry that I have. This is the only laundry I have for the day. I'm so excited. We're going to get this folded up and then call it a day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me again. I feel like I kind of just revolve around cleaning the kitchen, doing the laundry, loading the dishwasher. It's like a never-ending thing, but thank you all so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys again next time.